In this video, you'll learn how to start a new thread in Perplexity AI. By the end of this guide, you will be able to create a new thread and ask your questions effectively. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as this will help the application load smoothly. Once you're on the main interface of Perplexity AI, look for the left sidebar. This sidebar contains various options for navigating the application. Next, locate and click on the option labeled New Thread. Alternatively, you can also choose to go to the Home section if that is more convenient for you. After selecting New Thread, a fresh search box will appear on your screen. This indicates that you are now ready to start a new conversation. Type your question into the search box. Make sure your question is clear and concise to get the best possible response. Once you've entered your question, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will submit your question and initiate the new thread, allowing you to receive answers promptly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.